DS diving service out here at Miss Berg's place. I was just assessing, looking at the pilings. You can see there's a lot of pilings with a lot of damage. I've recommend restoration for some pilings. Some of them just getting piling jackets. Some of them just getting a wrap with tape to keep them from getting any worse. If I remember correctly, we're wanting to get rid of these outside pilings here and these lifts, that lift there, also getting rid of that lift. I don't know whether you want to keep a roof over this section. I am quoting you to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pilings, new pilings, so that way we can make this a large walkway here. I need to know from you whether you want to keep a tall roof like this or whether you just want it to be open to the sun. If you want a tall roof, then I am going to suggest that you keep those pilings up as the framework to build a new roof on top of. You might even be able to get away with using the superstructure that is there and do that. So this area here, I have this just going away, so this would be a long catwalk and this would be a very wide area here. These pilings over here, hold on, I'm standing on broken dock. I don't want nails in my feet. This area over here where the dock is raised, we can actually beat those pilings back down into the ground for you. And then obviously we would need to deck and string this up. It'll take a few minutes and get my material list for that. But that's what I think you said you wanted. I'm going to send you this video. You can take a look and let me know if that's it. I will draw it up and then we'll talk turkey.